Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today we're heading off on a 3-day moto camping trip on Vancouver Island. On this trip we'll be spending 2 nights at Stamp River Provincial Park near Port Alberni and 1 night at Pumpage River RV Park, Campbell River. We've been riding for about an hour now and are just about to head through the town of Cowichan Bay. I love taking these back roads because it gives you an opportunity to see all these small towns and avoid the hustle and bustle of the busy highways. Another hour or so up the road, we stopped for a quick lunch in Parksville before heading west to Stamp Falls Provincial Park. Tents are set up, and now we're checking out the river and falls. Many thousands of salmon negotiate these falls and the fish ladders each year on the way to their spawning grounds.
How many noodles did you make?
I don't know. 1 bundle worth.
That's what she said. As I come in. There's your waterfall.
Good morning. Coffee, quiet, peaceful, couldn't be better. Cheers. This is our water source at the Stamp River Provincial Park. Hand pump. Pretty good water though. Beautiful sunny morning.
Breakfast of Champions.
breakfast out of the way, it was time for a little fun. We headed west on Highway 4 for about 2 hours, through Pacific Rim National Park, and we're now on the last stretch heading into Tofino, on a quest for delicious cinnamon buns. You may notice on either side of the road a pedestrian and bike path. It stretches 40 kilometers all the way from Ucluelet to Tofino. So we're getting back on the road, and we're just going to make a quick stop at the pier down at the bottom of the hill. After that, we'll stop again at Long Beach. It's famous for its miles of sandy beaches and is a popular destination for families in summer and storm watchers in the winter. It's also known as the surf capital of Canada.
I don't say any ballsies now. For you. Charlie don't surf.
Dinner ready yet?
Almost. You're gonna win the race.
Probably.
amazing dinner race. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Oysters.
Red pepper sauce, oleo, simplicity in a pan. On pasta.
Sounds marvelous.
Find like little tiny bottles of wine.
We talked about that yesterday.
I know.
And then we didn't do it.
I know. Like a little bottle of wine.
Oil from sun-dried tomatoes.
Nice.
My garlic. Where's my garlic? Where did my garlic go? Oh, there it is. Garlic and red onions. Takes no time at all.
You're basically making the same thing as yesterday?
Yes. Affirmative. Just a different method.
Oh!
Skeeters! Go away.
Raymond.
This is my dinner, not yours. And tin salmon. Gotta be careful though. There are bones and skin. Skin's okay. Don't want too many bones in there. Beautiful. Beautiful pasta sauce. Couple of herbs. Sun-dried tomatoes. Tin salmon. Get happy for a couple minutes.
We interrupt this with a public service announcement of the Better Dinner. We now return you to regularly scheduled programming. Where's the wine?
Maybe fighting about how many mosquitoes are around
Yeah,
here.
they're bad.
And there we have it. Pasta. One final touch. Parmesan cheese. A lot of Parmesan cheese.
Oh,
But hey, it's my
would you like
last.
some noodles with your
It's,
cheese?
it's my last supper.
Would you like some noodles with your cheese?
Yes, please.
Cheese. Oh.
Bon appetit. It's pretty hot.
Mine's mine. Oh, you're even shooting you.
The next day, we rode to Campbell River. We set up camp at the Puntledge River RV Park, then walked into town. We enjoyed some delicious pizza and a couple of beers before heading back to camp. The next day, we hit the road for home to close the book on another Vancouver Island Moto adventure.